Welcome to Tech Brothers Down here. In this video, we are going to learn about unpivot in PySpark. Unpivot is the process of transforming columns into the rows. In PySpark, we can use selectExpr function and with the stack function method to achieve unpivoting. Because there is no unpivot function directly available in PySpark, it is a reverse operation of pivoting and it is helpful for normalizing the data. So we already have done a video where we used the pivot and we converted our rows into the columns. So you can watch that video as well. So here is the syntax that we use, and df select expression, then you provide the column that you would like to display, then you use the stack and the stack will have n, that means the number of columns you would like to unpivot, and here you will provide column name and then a column value, and here is a new column and the new value. So we will see in the further down in the demo how exactly this expression is written. So I have data, and here you have Amir Shehzad, and then you have value 1, value 2, and then you have other values as well. But when we look at the column, the first one is a name, so these are the names here, and then the second value here is a sale for 2023, and then this value is the sales for 2024. So now I'm going to create a data frame here by saying spark.create a data frame, provide the data here, and then a schema by using this column list, and here we will see our data frame output. Let's execute, and now you will see in tabular format, and here is my name column, and we see that names are there, and then we have sales column and sales underscore 2023, sales under 2024. Now we would like to convert these into the rows. Right now these two columns are just there. We are going to convert into the year column, and then we will have a sale column here. So to do that, what we are going to do, we have to use unpivot, right? So we are going to, there is no unpivot, so we'll select expression and we will use a stack here. So we will say unpivot df. So that's our new data frame, and we are using old data frame df.selectExpr, and then we are providing a column. So that's the name of the column we would like to see as is. Then we're using stack here, and then we have 2. So 2 means the number of new rows you want per record. Okay, so here 2023, and you say this is sales 2023, sales underscore 2023. So in this new column, put the year, this one, and then this is the value for the sales. So this will go under the year, and then the value of this column will go under the sale. Now this will go, this is the value will go in this year, and then this will year 2024 will go under this year, and then this sales under 2024 value will go into the sales column, and then we will print out our data frame. So in other words, stack is unpivot in SQL. It flattens multiple columns into the rows. So that's what we are doing here, and just remember the syntax, you know, how you're gonna write it. So we are gonna go ahead and let me print actual data frame and then unpivot data frame. So look at here. This will probably explain more. So we had column name, and then we had column name sales underscore 2023, sales underscore 2024, right? And we wanted to convert them to the rows. So we wanted to have name as is, so name came as is, and then we wanted to create a year. So when we had year, so you see that year and 2023 came, and then we have year 2024, so we have 2024, and then there was 2 values for Amir Shehzad. See, these were in the column for year 2023 800, for year 2024 900. So these values came under sale, so the first year and then the second. So you have converted your columns into the rows now. So there was only one row available at that time because you have multiple column on top right there, but now you have converted them to the rows, and that's why Amir Shehzad is occurring twice to handle this data in the row format. So again, for Ali, you can see that as well, and there is a Lisa. There is no value for year 2024 if you see the data frame right here, so that's why we have a null value. So now if you will look at these expression, it probably make more sense. So see right there, we're telling like, hey, we have this year, you know, that we just had put a hard code value here, and we would like to see this under the year, and the value for this one is coming from the sales underscore 2023. So see right there, that's the value came from. And then you have another year 2024, and then you are going to be right there, and then the value will be coming from sales 2024, and that's the sales column right there. So now if you want to experiment a little bit more and play with it, you can maybe add another value here, and in that case you would but you have to probably change the entire data set here. So let's say if I will do like a 1000 here, another 1000 or 1, and then see right there what I'm doing, I'm actually making a new column value here. So and then I will say like, okay, let me go and okay, and then as I added a new values here, I'm gonna add another column here. So if I will go and say this is my year 25, so now see this is 25. So here we have to write a little bit different expressions now. Now we have 3 columns, and then we'll copy this as is and just make a small change from there. So here we'll provide comma and then paste, and here I say 2025, and then take the value from 2025. Now if I will execute, I will have this data sets right there. So you see that now I have data for year 2023, 2024, and 2025, and that's how it is there. But if you see original data frame, this is there's but 3 columns, and they were for sale. This was sales for each year, and we have converted them to rows, and now we have the year come in separate under the year, and then a sale value come in into the sales column. So thank you very much for watching. I hope this video will help, and I will see you guys in the next video.